In this video, I will be showing you how to summarize YouTube video using AI. For example, I'm currently watching this YouTube video and let's say I would like to summarize it. All I would need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see transcribe and subscribe on my screen. And all I would need to do is tap on the ChatGPT icon. Once I've done that, a new tab is going to open up. And you can see a quick summary of the video right there. So you can see summarize the following in 5 bulletin points, and you can see it right there. And by scrolling down, you can see a summary right here. All I would need to do is simply copy the summary. Now to get access to this, all you'll need to do is open a new tab and go onto glasp.co/YouTube summary. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use. And you will get access to this both on Chrome for free and also onto Safari. And you can also see the different features. Not only will you be able to quickly summarize any YouTube video using ChatGPT or Betaid AI, but you can also get video transcripts in multiple languages. And there are also other features that you will get access to. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.